Hey everyone, it's Jackie here. I am going to read today called The Farm Animals Adventure. One day on the farm, Mary the chicken, George the cow, Janet the goat, Daniel the horse, Abby the pig, and Mr. Smith the sheep wanted to go swimming in their favorite watering hole. Mr. Smith the sheep got there first and found the water hole all dried up. Daniel the horse asked Mr. Smith the pig, "What are we going to do now?" Mary the chicken and Abby the pig told everyone, "Well, since there is no water in our watering hole, we are going back home." Janet the goat said, "I agree with Mary the chicken and Abby the pig." All at once, the shy George the cow said, "Why don't we take a walk down the path? You never know what we might find." So all the farm animals friends decided to go down the path, and you will never guess what they found. All at once, Mary the chicken, George the cow, Janet the goat, Daniel the horse, Abby the pig, and Mr. Smith the sheep started jumping up and down with excitement because they had found a new watering hole to swim in. They all jumped in and played in their new favorite watering hole for the rest of the day. That is the end of the story. Give this video a thumbs up, this story a thumbs up, and I will take it and read y'all another one of my stories later. Bye everyone.